The good thing about being at such beaches as Durban Beach is you have more time to relax, you have more time to do your body work, like exercising whichever the way you want, feeling the breeze, watching people having fun, and that the freedom that you feel, you have. And that's the good thing about being at such places, because if, like, let's say you are in Devon, you can book any hotel that is just nearby the beach, whereby you can go to these beaches and you can go do whatever you want to do at any time, whether it's early in the morning, whether it's a little bit late in the evening or mid-afternoon, whatever the time that you just feel like getting to the beach and do what you have to do. So for myself, I usually like spending my time on the beach, having some exercises, doing the things that I don't usually do when I'm in the gym. So I have more space here to enjoy doing everything it takes to make my body look much better. So yeah, like, it's me with my partner in this video, doing what we have to do with my wife and kids at home. So it's a way of, if you're partners, a wife and a husband, couples, that type of a thing. This is a place whereby you can come, and if you're people maybe who might be having arguments, fightings, and all that, you can come and spill all that out. When you together like this, you manage to make things work better for you. Not to say I was going through that, but I've met a lot of couples, I've met a lot of friends doing that, and it always has been working for them. So yeah, that's the good thing about being at the beach and taking your time away from home. It's not even expensive as you might think. So yeah, anyone who wants to visit this beach, doesn't matter where you are, doesn't matter you in Africa, doesn't matter you in Europe or you in the United States of America, this is a place that you can be. You just have to come to South Africa, go to Durban. These kind of beaches are everywhere actually. They are in Port Elizabeth. There is a beach, a good beach like this one in Port Elizabeth, a good beach like this one in Cape Town. There's so many places where you can choose, but for me, I love this beach. This is my favorite beach because there are different beach ports here. But if you want to mingle with a lot of people, you come to this part of the beach. So yeah, guys, let's just have fun and enjoy the view, enjoy what we are doing here. It's not much of anything on this video, just showing how good it could be for couples having fun. So yeah, to anyone who's also new to this channel, please make sure you subscribe, be part of the family, and make sure you hit the notification icon so that you keep notified when I post a new video. I love you guys. To those, ciao, bye.